Okay, in this video, we're going to solve this problem right here, and let's begin. So, in order to isolate B, you might say, why not divide both matrix? But the thing is, with matrix, you can't divide them. So instead, we have to use the inverse. So we'll get matrix B is equal to the inverse of this matrix. So we have 2, -1, -3, 4 raised to -1 times the matrix 2, -5, 7, and 10. At this point, there's a couple of ways to get the inverse matrix of this piece. In the last video, we used the determinant method, so that's what we're going to do here. And the determinant method looks something like this. So we're going to get B is equal, we're going to say 1 divided by, it says A times D, so 2 times 4. So we'll put 2 times 4 minus B times C. So -1 times -3. So -1 times -3 times, now we have to change this matrix. So it's no longer 2, 4, instead we flip it. It'll be 4, 2. This -3 and this -1, you got to flip the sign. So it becomes +3 and 1. And now this matrix we get to keep. So 2, -5, 7, and 10. At this point, we can clean up. 2 times 4 is 8. Negative times a negative is positive, so 1. 1 times -3 is -3. So it's equal to, so 8 minus 3 is 5. We get 1 divided by 5. Now we got to put both matrix. We have 4, 3, 1, 2. We also have 2, -5, 7, and 10. Off to the side, we can keep our 1/5, but we have to multiply these two matrix. So we take 4, we multiply by 2. So I'm going to put 4 times 2 plus 1 times 7. 1 times 7. Then we have to do this part. 4 times -5, so 4 times -5 plus 1 times 10. 1 times 10. Now we have to do the bottom left. 3 times 2, so 3 times 2 plus 2 times 7. 2 times 7. And then the last one, 3 times -5, 3 times -5 plus 2 times 10. 2 times 10. At this point, we can clean it up. We have 1/5 times 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 7 is 7. So 8 plus 7 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. 4 times -5 is -20. 1 times 10 is 10. -20 plus 10 is -10. 3 times -5 is -15. 2 times 10 is 20. 20 minus 15 is +5. Our last step is to multiply by this constant. So 1/5 times all 4 pieces. We know 1/5 times 15 is going to give us 3. 1/5 times -10 is going to give us -2. 1/5 times 20 is 4. 1/5 times 5 is 1. And so this right here is our final answer. So B is equal to this piece right here. And if we use a calculator, this was our answer. If you take this piece times this piece, you multiply it, you do in fact get 2, -5, 7, and 10. And that's pretty much it for this video.